Hey, did you know that Inriver have powerful AI built in that helps PIM users to turn supplier descriptions into complete product data in seconds? This helps to onboard and enrich product data faster, smoother, and more accurately than ever before at scale. Let me show you what this looks like. Suppliers do not always share the crisp data as you're after. Many times, all you receive is a single block of product text. As shown on screen, everything you actually need is hidden inside this wide supplier copy, where Inriver's AI, Inspire, can help to quickly read this supplier copy, extract the attributes you're after, and enrich the product data. You start this process by bulk selecting fields and activate Inriver Inspire to analyze the supplier copy and extract the key attributes. Values are then populated in the correct format, with each field respecting the validation rule set, so the product data stays clean and consistent. To keep the workflow efficient while still giving the user full control, when the AI has finished, the user simply reviews the suggested values, updates them if needed, and saves. I hope this was helpful, and please send us a note or visit inriver.com for more information on how to quickly turn supply descriptions into crisp product data in this way, or how we further have embedded the latest AI innovations directly into our PIM to help you accelerate your product content without compromising control. Thank you for watching.